Good morning, Papua New Guinea. Now me like explain him how ramp pump works. A ramp pump, I mean, using electricity or power, made by creating own pumping blong using flow na head. Let me explain. Now you got on the water here, and we got head blong roughly H1, but me explain him H1. Now what about flow come inside here, go along one the valve, isolation valve. Then it must inside one non-return valve. This non-return valve, it must be placed in normally open. You joining pipe become not a non-return valve two, and must have open position too, so that water by go on, I go out low here. As water pull up low here, and by come, leak by go out, plenty by go out. The leak now and by buildings the tank here. Water by pull up, you go, and tap them compress him like air. And become the one stage where air cannot be compressed any further. Now the pressure and build up here now. Water pressure and build up here now. The pressure, the hydraulic pressure now will shut non-return valve 1, will shut non-return valve 2. So two valve pass because of the liquid pressure. And then this liquid pressure, and by forcing water come out here, now go up here, now go to tank. It's just like a piston pump. And by all of the building my pressure here to build a level up here of the tank. So what will happen is by you harm this la tubla and by on off, on off, on off. So it will be suction pumping, suction pumping, suction pumping. So that's basically what it's all about. So time water come down, tubla valve here, non-return valve one, non-return valve two, all step normally open position, all but pass, or open. But then as pressure build up, all but pass, closed. Then pumping starts from the cylinder onto the tank. And then the pressure inside the cylinder, and by closing the two player, pumping starts. Then water goes up to the tank, pressure drops, two player open again, the cycle continues. It just repeats, 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 repeats. So get in touch with me, 7032 9730 Lay City.